Welcome students to a very new chapter, GST. Just 2 to 3 years prior, this was introduced in Indian economy. GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. GST. Let's see why GST is introduced. Goods and Service Tax. There were 6 reasons, I'll say, why this Goods and Service Tax was introduced in Indian economy. Let's see what are those. Okay, students. So after looking the advantages of GST, now let's move further. Based on your commodity or based on your services or based on the goods, either you produce, you manufacture, or you consume, these specific rates are imposed, rates of GST. Something comes under 0% slab, some commodity goods or services come under 5%, some in 12%, some in 18%, and some in 28%. So let's see in detail. 0% GST. Yeah, government have imposed 0% tax on the basic food, that is food grains. Next, 5% GST. 5%, just 5% GST has been imposed on items like spices, mustard oil used in the mass consumptions. Then 12%, under 12% slab, we have processed foods. Okay, then moving on further to 18%. In 18%, we have commodities like soap, oils, toothpastes, refrigerators, smartphones, and on. And the luxury item comes under 28% slab. इंट्रास्टेट, इंट्रास्टेट मतलब एक ही स्टेट के अंदर, अगर एक ही स्टेट के अंदर ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहा है, महाराष्ट्र टू महाराष्ट्र, ओके, यूपी टू यूपी, एमपी टू एमपी, एक ही स्टेट में अगर कोई ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहा है either of goods or any commodity or services, so we will come under this chain of intrastate GST. And within the intrastate GST we have state GST and central GST. Generally we will call this as SGST. State पूरा नहीं word लेंगे, we will just call it as SGST. And here we will not call central, we'll just use the first alphabet, we'll abbreviate as CGST. So when transaction is taking place within the same state, we have two things, SGST and CGST. And when we have this interstate, मतलब across the state, those states के बीच में, if any commodity or good is going from Maharashtra to Delhi, it's between two different states, so we call it as interstate GST. और यहाँ पे लगता है integrated GST. ठीक है? Now please listen this. As far as your syllabus is concerned, this integrated state GST, which we call it as IGST, is not there in your syllabus. In your syllabus, we only have intrastate GST. Intrastate GST, INTRA, intrastate GST means within the same state, the transactions or transportations taking place within the same state. मतलब महाराष्ट्र टू महाराष्ट्र, ठीक है, दिल्ली टू दिल्ली, एक ही स्टेट में जो ट्रांजैक्शंस होंगे वहां पर वी कम अक्रॉस विद इंट्रा स्टेट, मतलब इंट्रा मींस एक ही स्टेट के अंदर. Within this intrastate GST, as we saw, we have SGST and CGST. This year S stands for State Goods and Service Tax. Okay, S for state, and here C stands for Central Goods and Service Tax. Students, to explain in detail about this procedure, I have an example in front of you. I'm starting my lecture with an example. Please see on the screen. Rate of GST, मतलब GST का percentage is 10% given to you. Okay, let's see the sum. If A purchased a mobile for rupees 4,500 and sells it to B for rupees 5,000. क्या पढ़े अब तक? A purchased a mobile for rupees 4,500. Can I say A ने purchase किया 4,500 में? So cost price for A will be 4,500 and sells it to B. बेच दिया A ने B को कितने में? For rupees 5,000. So can I say selling price of A will be rupees 5,000? So once again, students, cost price of mobile for A was 4,500 and selling price of mobile for A was 5,000 rupees. What we need to find? We need to find GST deposited by A to the government. Now here comes the key rule, the golden rule. Please pay attention to my words. GST will always be calculated on the value added. GST will always be calculated on the value added. GST will always be calculated on the profit earned. So यहाँ पे profit of A कितना हुआ? A ने कितना value add करके बेचा? That is called as profit of A. 5,000 minus 4,500, which is 500. 500 rupees profit कमाया A ने. So now GST will be calculated on rupees 500. Now students, pay attention here. Rate of GST was given as 10%. But I like to take you back to my screen a little up over here where we saw this. Students, see on the screen once again. This intra-state GST is divided into two parts. एक part GST का जाता है state government को and another part goes to central government. Exactly half it goes. Half of the tax, half of the goods and service tax goes to SGST, state government, and half belongs to central government. So over here, students, always remember this, that ये 10% is the total rate or the total percentage of GST. तो इसका half will go to the state government and half will go to the central government. So see now, first I am finding CGST. What is CGST? Central Goods and Service Tax. मतलब वो टैक्स जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पास जाएगा. तो CGST deposited by A will be 5%. See my cursor. What I did, I just divided my main percentage in 2. Divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5% will go along with CGST, central government, and 5% will go along SGST, state government. So 5% of 500. Percentage, to remove this percentage symbol, I write 5 upon 100. Of means multiply. 500. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancels. 25 rupees is the CGST deposited by A. In other words, the tax given to the central government in the form of GST by A is rupees 25. Similarly, students, if we move ahead, SGST, state government को कितना दिया A ने? वही 5%. 5% of 500 and it comes to rupees 25. No need to show calculation. This was the first time I'm explaining you, so I showed you all the calculation. Second time for SGST, you can directly copy whatever value you got from CGST. Okay. So can I say a total GST, total government को कितना भरा person A ने? Of course, we have to total it out. CGST plus SGST. 25 plus 25 comes to 50. So students, what we learned via this example, students, what we learned, we saw here that every time there will be one percentage rate of GST given to you all. And हर बार आपको क्या करना है, उसको exactly 2 parts में divide करना है. यहाँ पे 10 है, तो 5% will go for CGST and 5% will go for SGST. Second thing what we learned over here is in every sum, we need to find profit. Because GST किस पे calculate होता है? The value added or the profit earned. Okay, here we come with our first question. Pay attention, students. Pay attention on the screen. Now, a dealer buys almonds for rupees 750 and sells it at profit of 20%. Full stop. एक डीलर ने बाय किया, परचेज किया almonds for rupees 750. स्टूडेंट्स, कैन आई से ये इसका कॉस्ट प्राइस है? आलमंड्स परचेज किया 750 में, ओके, फिर उसको बेच दिया एंड सेल्स इट एट प्रॉफिट ऑफ 20%. ठीक है, 20% प्रॉफिट रख के बेचा. If the rate of GST is 12%, here comes the rate of GST. Okay, find the CGST and SGST. Hope you remember, students. Just a moment ago I told you, जो भी rate of GST दिया है उसको divide by 2 करने का. So here 12 is given. So 6% will be CGST and 6% will be SGST. Okay. The first thing given over here is cost price of almonds is rupees 750. And as student, I gave you another key point कि हर sum में we should first find the profit. And यहाँ तो straightforward दिया है that he sells it at the profit of 20%. तो कितना profit कमाया डीलर ने? 20%. 20% on what? Of course, profit and loss both are always calculated on cost price. So 20% on 750. So see here, I'm finding the profit earned. Profit earned is 20% of 750, students here. So now, see this, 20 upon 100 of means multiply into 750. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancels, 75 twos are 150. So rupees 150 is the profit earned. So profit earned is rupees 150. So now, if we speak with respect to the dealer and if we need to find CGST, SGST or total GST deposited by this dealer, we will calculate on this profit because GST is always calculated on value added or the profit earned. So CGST deposited by dealer will be 6% of 150. Why 6%, students? See, because in the original question it was given 12%. This 12% is the total rate of GST. So हमेशा उसको 2 से divide करने का, 6% for CGST, 6% for SGST, and हमेशा CGST और SGST की value same ही आएगी. So here comes 6% of 150, 6 upon 100. To eliminate this percentage symbol, we write in the fraction form. Percentage we convert in fraction form, 6 upon 100 into 150. 0, 0 cancels, 6 15s are 90, 0, 0 cancels, rupees 9. So rupees 9 is my CGST. So my SGST will always be same only. But then to just we have to write this one thing, that 6% of 150, rupees 9. Okay, students. So it was asked to us that what is the CGST deposited by dealer? It is rupees 9 and SGST is also rupees 9. It can also be asked to you all, what is the total GST deposited by dealer to government? So total GST will be 9 plus 9, rupees 18.